Hello my dear students, I warmly welcome you to CR Digital Classes. So now in this lecture we are going to discussing about the main topic orthogonal projection. So the concept of orthogonal projection is backbone for the next upcoming classes. Based on this orthogonal projection only, so we are going to discussing about the one of the very important theorem of this unit, the orthogonal decomposition theorem. Okay, this orthogonal projection topic is backbone of the all upcoming classes regarding the orthonormal sets and decomposition theorem, and also we have Gram-Schmidt process. Okay, for that process also this orthogonal projection is also important. Okay, so therefore observe carefully. In this lecture we are going to discussing two problems, Amma. The first problem is discuss about an orthogonal projection. In this question, so we are going to discussing orthogonal projection and how we can get the formula for the orthogonal projection. Next, second question is, let y is equal to 7 6 is a column matrix and u is equal to 4 2 is also a column matrix. Here y and small u both are the two vectors. Okay, so find the orthogonal projection for y. Okay, find the orthogonal projection of y onto small u. Then write this vector small y as sum of two orthogonal vectors. Okay, one vector in the span of u and another one is orthogonal to u. Okay, so this total question regarding the orthogonal projection. So first of all we are starting with the general procedure of orthogonal projection, Amma. Okay, so you can also keep heading here orthogonal projection for the first question. Let's see here, small u be a non-zero vector in Rn. Okay, so we can write non-zero means u is always non-zero vector in the vector space Rn. Likewise in the second problem only we have u is equal to 4 2. Likewise if you take any vector small u, that vector is non-zero in the main vector space Rn. Consider a vector small y as the sum of two vectors. Okay, so this total general derivation is replica for the second problem of this lecture. Okay, you can also see that the second problem here also we are going to express in that problem small y as a sum of the two orthogonal vectors. The same concept here also we are using a vector small y, two vectors or two orthogonal vectors. That one vector is in span of u. Span of u is nothing but the main reason to generate small u. Okay, span of u ante that u ane vector ఆ vector వల్లనే generate అయ్యిందని అర్థం అన్నమాట. One vector in span of u and other vector orthogonal to small u. Okay, so here we have taken u is a non-zero vector in Rn. Okay, and also we have to consider one vector small y. This vector we have to write as the sum of the two orthogonal vectors. Two orthogonal vectors ante you can see here clearly we have from the orthogonal decomposition theorem. Okay, from the orthogonal decomposition theorem, or else we can also write that line as from the problem of decomposition of orthogonal vector. From the orthogonal decomposition theorem, or else you can write from the problem of decomposition of two vectors. We can write that small y is equal to y cap plus z. Here we don't know what is this y cap and what is z. Actually this equation 1 is the statement for the orthogonal decomposition theorem. Orthogonal decomposition theorem statement is equation number 1 only, but that is upcoming topic. Okay, so we are not revealing the topic here, but in that purpose only we are using from the orthogonal decomposition theorem, or else from the problem of decomposing of two vectors, or else we can use. So therefore ఇక్కడ y అనే ఒక వెక్టర్ ని తీసుకున్నాం. ఆ వెక్టర్ ని మనం ఎలా రాసుకుంటున్నాం అంటే సమ్ ఆఫ్ టూ వెక్టర్స్. ఆ సమ్ ఆఫ్ టూ వెక్టర్స్ ఏంటంటే ఇలా తీసుకున్నాం అమ్మ, స్మాల్ y is equal to y cap plus z. That is taken as equation number 1. From that equation number 1 we can write z is equal to y minus y cap. Okay, from that z, so ఈ z ని మీరు ఇలాగే RHS లో పెట్టుకొని ఈ y cap ని LHS సెండ్ చేశారు అనుకోండి, then you will get y minus y cap, where y cap is equal to alpha into u. Y cap is equal to alpha into u, where alpha is any scalar. that is any real number or it is a weight. Alpha is any scalar or weight, and z is any vector orthogonal to small u. In this so far we discussed about that the one vector small y, that vector has one unique representation in this format. Okay, so y is equal to y cap plus z. After writing that equation number 1, what we discussed, from that equation number 1 only we can derive another equation for z. Okay, z is equal to y minus y cap. Here we are explaining about each and every word. Okay, we are explaining each and every vector. So therefore y cap అనేది ఇక్కడ ఏంటంటే y cap is equal to alpha into u. So where alpha is any scalar, any constant, and u is also, you know very well, it is a non-zero vector, and z is also there. Z is any vector, that vector is all orthogonal to small u. That vector is orthogonal to small u, and we can write z into u is equal to 0. So that is the total description about the terms in equation number 1. Okay, or the total description about the vectors in equation number 1. For a given any scalar value alpha, ఈ alpha place లో you can also choose small cm. Okay, in the place of scalar alpha we can also take small c. Some textbook లో మీకు small c అని కూడా ఉంటది. So therefore for given any scalar alpha, let z is equal to y minus alpha into u. I am writing that vector z is equal to y minus alpha into u. So okay, how you can write that value of y minus alpha into u? That is the value only from this equation only. In the place of y cap, so we substituted alpha into u value. Why? Because since we have y cap is equal to alpha into u, na, substitute that value in equation. Okay, in this equation, then you will get z is equal to y minus alpha into u. Nothing we are doing, just we are replacing the value of y cap in the small z equation, where small z is a vector in the orthogonal complement of the vector space. Okay, so therefore from equation number 1, we can write y is equal to y cap plus, wherever you have small z in equation number 1, a z place lo we are substituting that z value. Okay, y is equal to y cap plus z place lo we are writing y value y minus alpha into u. So from that condition, so ఈ y cap ని మీరు LHS సెట్ సెండ్ చేసుకుంటే y minus y cap is equal to y minus alpha into u. Y minus alpha into u. Then y minus y cap is orthogonal to u also. If you observe carefully, ఇక్కడ చూడండి ఒకసారి మీరు క్లియర్ గా అబ్జర్వ్ చేయండి. This value y minus alpha into u, and here you have another value y minus alpha into u. Okay, this y minus alpha into u we have taken as z. Here y minus alpha u value we have taken as y minus y cap. That means RHS values are same for those two equations. Then we can equate LHS values na. So therefore z is equal to y minus y cap. Z is equal to y minus y cap. These two are LHS values. Okay, this value and this value, those two LHS values we can equate. Then y minus y cap is orthogonal to small u. Why? Because clearly we said previously only z is any vector, that vector is orthogonal to small u. Here in place of z, what we have got? Y minus y cap. Okay, ఇక్కడ z is equal to y minus y cap వచ్చింది కదా. ఇప్పుడు z ప్లేస్ లో మనం ఏమని చెప్తున్నాం అంటే y minus y cap. Y minus y cap is orthogonal to small u. Orthogonal to small u అంటే according to the condition, okay, if and only if 0 is equal to the product of those two values. Okay, అవి రెండు ఎప్పుడైతే ఆర్థోగోనల్ అని చెప్తామో, so then y minus alpha u into small u is equal to 0. Okay, so therefore ఇక్కడ ఏం లేదు, సింపుల్ గా బిగినింగ్ లో z అనే వెక్టర్ ని తీసుకున్నాం. సో మనకు ప్రొసీజర్ చేస్తా ఉంటే z is equal to y minus alpha u అని వచ్చింది. ఇప్పుడు ఆ y minus alpha u ని మనం z గా కన్సిడర్ చేసుకొని y minus y cap equal to z కదా. So therefore y minus y cap is orthogonal to u. Okay, from this statement. Okay, so therefore we are using the statement here. From that statement, so we are writing that y minus y cap is orthogonal to small u if and only if the product of those two vectors equal to 0. If and only if 0 is equal to multiply with small u y into u minus alpha u into u. Okay, so therefore if and only if 0 is equal to y into u minus alpha of u into u from the properties of the inner product spaces. Okay, so now send this negative value to LHS, then you will get if and only if y into u is equal to alpha into u into u. Okay, so from this equation we can get the formula for the scalar value. Therefore alpha is equal to y into u by u into u, y into u by u into u. That is the formula for the scalar alpha. So these types of formula we already discussed in the previous lectures also. Okay, so I clearly remember I remember you once again. C suffix j is equal to y into u suffix j by u suffix j into u suffix j. We discussed for j is equal to 2, 3 up to so on. Okay, for j is equal to 1, 2 up to so on small p. Same in place of c suffix j, here we have alpha. Alpha is equal to y into u by u into u. Then since we have y cap is equal to alpha into u, substitute alpha value in that equation. So therefore this is the total alpha value from the above equation, y into u by u into u into u. Okay, so therefore after substituting that value, therefore z is orthogonal to u. Okay, that is a continuation amma. It is not imply symbol, if and only if symbol. Okay, so that is that if and only if symbol condition. Manaki if and only if ki left side emundi, z is orthogonal to u, y minus y cap is orthogonal to u ante z is orthogonal to u if and only if 0 is equal to y minus alpha u into u equal to manaku vachindi kada. So aa value continuation ikkada rastunna nenu. So therefore z is orthogonal to small u if and only if we can write that scalar value alpha is equal to y into u by u into u, and y cap we can write y into u by u into u into u. That is the formula. Okay, so now after getting that value, observe carefully the vector y cap. Here the vector y cap is called the orthogonal projection of y onto small u, the orthogonal projection of y onto small u. So for that we have diagrammatical explanation also, where y cap is called orthogonal projection of the vector y onto the another vector small u, and the next second vector z, that z is also called the component of small y orthogonal to small u, the component of small y orthogonal to small u. Here we have three characters amma. The first character is y, okay, next character is y cap, and the next character is z. Okay, these two characters depending upon small y value only. Y cap is the orthogonal projection to y onto small u, and z is the component of y. Okay, component of y, that component is orthogonal to small u. Okay, z is component of y, that is orthogonal to small u. So if c is any non-zero scalar and if u is replaced by c into u in y cap, okay, y cap lo u ane value undi kada, if that u is replaced by c into u, then the orthogonal projection of y onto cu is exactly the same as the orthogonal projection of y onto small u. Okay, in place of u, if you replace small c amma, okay, for any scalar c, in place of u, if you replace c into u, then you will get y cap is equal to, okay, so y into c into u by c into u into c into u, and again c into u. Okay, c into u into c into u, again c into u. Wherever you have small u, that small u value if you replace by c into u, that resultant y cap value also exactly same as the orthogonal projection of y onto u. Okay, so in this equation also, here c will get cancelled, c will get cancelled. Okay, denominator lo 2 c's unnai, numerator lo 2 c's unnai kabatti cancel ayipothe malla again you will get y cap is equal to y into u by u into u and u. So ee formula entante c into u is y is orthogonal to y cap. Okay, sorry, y cap is orthogonal to c into u. ఈ ఫార్ములా ఏంటంటే y cap is orthogonal to u. సో ఈ ఫార్మాట్ లో ఉంటది అన్నమాట. సో This projection is determined by the subspace capital L. The subspace capital L spanned by small u. Okay, that projection value is written by the subspace capital L spanned by small u. The line through u and 0. That subspace spanned by u is nothing but amma the line through u and o. O is nothing but akkada origin amma. So from this diagram you can clearly observe that line segment from O. Okay, so from O means origin. Origin నుంచి మీరు ఇలా లైన్ డ్రా చేశారు అనుకోండి. ఆరిజిన్ నుంచి టువర్డ్స్ స్మాల్ యూ. స్మాల్ యూ అంటే ఆన్ క్యాపిటల్ ఎక్స్ యాక్సిస్. ఓకే, ఆన్ క్యాపిటల్ ఎక్స్ యాక్సిస్ దట్ ఈస్ ద టోటల్ ప్రొజెక్షన్ ఆఫ్ వై ఆన్ టు స్మాల్ యూ. ఇక్కడ స్మాల్ యూ అనే వాల్యూ మీకు ఎక్కడ ఉందంటే ఎక్స్ యాక్సిస్ మీద ఉంది. ఓకే, సో ఆ ఎక్స్ యాక్సిస్ మీద ఉన్న వాల్యూకి XY ప్లేన్ లో ఉన్న y అనే పాయింట్ నుంచి మనం ఒక పర్పెండిక్యులర్ ని డ్రా చేస్తున్నాం. ఆ పర్పెండిక్యులర్ ఏంటి మనకి ఏంటంటే డాటెడ్ లైన్. ఓకే, దట్ పర్పెండిక్యులర్ మేక్స్ 90 degrees యాంగిల్ అన్నమాట. ఓకే, సో ఆ పర్పెండిక్యులర్ ఎక్కడైతే x యాక్సిస్ ని ఇంటర్సెక్ట్ అవుతుందో, ఓకే, దట్ పర్పెండిక్యులర్ wherever intersect that x axis, that point we are taking it as y cap. Okay, so ఇక్కడ y cap is equal to alpha into u. Alpha into u. So therefore that is denoted by y cap is also denoted by projection of y onto L. Okay, so here whatever that y cap value is there, that y cap value is denoted by projection of small y, projection of this y onto క్యాపిటల్ ఎల్. అంటే ఇప్పుడు ఏమంటాం దీన్నంతా మనం ఈ డాటెడ్ లైన్ ని మనం ఏమని చెప్తామంటే క్యాపిటల్ ఎల్. ఆ క్యాపిటల్ ఎల్ అంటే మనం ఎలా ఫామ్ అయింది, అది స్పాన్ ఆఫ్ యూ, యూ అనే వెక్టార్ ద్వారా. ఓకే, స్పాన్ ఆఫ్ యూ. ఎందుకంటే సో వై క్యాప్, ఇఫ్ యూ రైటింగ్ వై క్యాప్ అమ్మ, వై క్యాప్ ఈజ్ నథింగ్ బట్ ఆల్ఫా ఇంటూ యూ. వితౌట్ స్మాల్ యూ వీ కెనాట్ రైట్ వై క్యాప్. ఓకే, వితౌట్ ద మెయిన్ వెక్టార్ నాన్ జీరో వెక్టార్ స్మాల్ యూ, సో వీ కెనాట్ మేక్ దట్ ఆర్థోగోనల్ ప్రొజెక్షన్ వై క్యాప్ వాల్యూ. So therefore that y cap is also denoted by projection of y onto capital L. Okay, so and it is called the orthogonal projection of y onto capital L. So therefore we can write finally y cap is equal to, y cap is nothing but amma orthogonal projection. Okay, this is the formula, you should remember this formula amma. Y cap is equal to projection of y, you have to read this value in that format amma, projection of y onto L. సింపుల్ గా షార్ట్ నోటేషన్ లో ఇలా రాస్తాం దాన్ని, ప్రొజెక్షన్ ఆఫ్ y onto L ఈక్వల్ టు ఆల్ఫా ఇంటూ u. సో వేర్ ఆల్ఫా ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు y ఇంటూ u బై u ఇంటూ u ఇంటూ స్మాల్ u. ఓకే, సో దట్ ఈస్ ద ఫార్ములా ఫర్ ద ఆర్థోగోనల్ ప్రొజెక్షన్. ఫార్ములా ఫర్ ద ఆర్థోగోనల్ ప్రొజెక్షన్. సో ఆర్థోగోనల్ ప్రొజెక్షన్ ఈజ్ నథింగ్ బట్ వెనెవర్ యూ మే, ప్రాబ్లమ్ లోనే మనకి ఇస్తాడు క్లియర్ గా y వాల్యూ ఇస్తాడు, స్మాల్ u వాల్యూ ఇస్తాడు. ఆ టూ వాల్యూస్ ని బేస్ చేసుకునే మనం y క్యాప్ అనే వాల్యూని ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేస్తాం. దట్ y క్యాప్ ఇస్ కాల్డ్ ఆర్థోగోనల్ ప్రొజెక్షన్. ఫైండింగ్ ఇయర్ చూడండి ఫిగర్ అమ్మా, ఫైండింగ్ ఆల్ఫా టు మేక్ y మైనస్ y క్యాప్ ఈజ్ ఆర్థోగోనల్ టు స్మాల్ u. ఓకే,